Hello everyone and welcome to my new video on Polygon technical analysis and price details, 19th of June 2023. Together we're looking for discovering the most important things correlated with the market. Scrembo here, I'm your host as usually. Make sure to subscribe to the main YouTube channel as well, where we have ChatGPT bot trading. We have a lot of the live trades going on, and by the way, for those of you that would like to join the ChatGPT bot trading, make sure to check out our report. We have an option without any prior fee, only commission from the pure profits we achieve. Commission is paid afterwards, straight by you. Trading goes through API permission, fully outsourced. I'll talk about this at the end. So what's happening with Polygon? Well, currently it's having a difficult time, just like Cardano, and this is the situation with the three guys of Ripple, Cardano, and Polygon. For the past 7 days, they have been dipping big time. I mean, their percentage is 6, 7, 8%, which is not happening on Ethereum. And on top of that, BTC is successfully climbing slowly upwards, having a 1.38% on green. So there is a huge difference here, for example, between the Ethereum and the other altcoins these days. There is a delay and they are decoupled from the movement, which is indicating instability in the markets. Now, in terms of the 24 hours volume for the crypto space, it's in the lower side of the mark, $20 billion. That's extremely weak. And on the other side, we would like to discover what's happening on the 4-hour candlestick for the Polygon. Well, this is the picture, guys. Support has reacted very well. There is a confluence over there. It's the 1.618 blue line Fibonacci. That's a major representation of the price action in terms of calculatory. On top of that, there is a trend support coming from this support line, which acted so accurately every single time. So we had the wick pouring into the green support line of the trend, and that's another great fact. But on top of that, we've been able to push the markets back to 1.272 Fibonacci on this top, where you actually have a structure looking very closely like a head and shoulder. You see, this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. Then the markets are pulling back to the original point, which is the starting level of the left shoulder. I mean, I would basically indicate you that this is the way the head and shoulder looks like. It always ends from where it starts, and this is what has happened here, right? You see, you have the left shoulder, you have the head, and you have the right shoulder acting very nicely. So that's it basically for the moment. But then we've pulled back, we have reacted. Obviously, this is a place where you have tons of day traders trading Polygon back to the 1.414 Fibonacci retracements. Those are key levels. This is how we usually consider them in the market. So what's happening right now, what do we need to assume, is an accumulation phase here without too much volume going on, a phase of the market that is very slow, very uncomfortable for day traders, but very, very comfortable for swing or position traders, which are still performing as a swing on leverage. So it is more likely a time where accumulation comes in by splitting your entry points into sort of a triple structure of entries, which will allow you for every single dip we're receiving to get your completed entry. Now, this is basically how we usually perform in a ranging market. We're not going to entry from straightforward and then sell quickly. No, markets are having a tendency to play out on liquidity. So they act basically on a back and forth zigzag behavior in such lows before they move. The movement that is expected would be back towards the green support line. That is a movement that is expected, folks. And then we can talk about a golden Fibonacci, which is somewhere around 95 cents for Polygon. At the same time, just a couple of days ago, and this is outrageous, we were at $1.2 54 days ago. It's down by 56%, guys. This is a lot. To be honest with you, that's a lot. I mean, this looks like a huge rally downwards, and it is. So we have another great opportunity for the crypto space. That's it for today, guys. Once again, by the way, for those of you that would like to become professional traders, we have a one-on-one coaching directly with me. Intensively, between 4 to 6 weeks, live, I'm teaching you how to trade. If you want to find out more, this is the website describing, but you can also qualify for a free conversation with me. Beautiful. And of course, the bot trading, if you think this is useful and for you, everything is in the description area and comments area. All the links. Have a good time, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you soon.